Okay, welcome everybody to another live stream. Um, this week, experimental, you could say. I got a new laptop and I had ordered a new webcam, but I'll have that set up. I'm getting an alert here that I have an unstable connection, so this week is definitely experimental. But hopefully you can hear me and you can see me. Okay. And if the stream starts lagging, then let me know. And hopefully next week it might look better. But we got 7 people here. And I'll see who is in the chat. We have Lazarus, CF495, Roisin, Greg, Aaron, Eric, Sukatron, Mayo Sham, Kathleen. We got the gang in here tonight, so I might as well get into my first song. Then I'll read what you're all saying there. I'm very bloated tonight because I just had fish and chips, so excuse me. Hello, Kian. And come tell me, Sean O'Farrell, tell me why you hurry so. Hush a buffle, hush and listen, and his cheeks were all aglow. I bear orders from the captain, get her ready quick and soon. For the pikes must be together at the rising of the moon. 'Tis the rising of the moon, 'tis the rising of the moon. Oh, the pikes must be together at the rising of the moon. And come tell me, Sean O'Farrell, where the gathering is to be. At the old spot by the river, well known by you and me. One more word for single token, whistle out the marching tune. With your pike upon your shoulder at the rising of the moon. 'Tis the rising of the moon, 'tis the rising of the moon. With your pike upon your shoulder at the rising of the moon. Out through the night, many a manly heart was throbbing with the blessed morning light. Murmurs rang along the valley to the bank. All along that singing river, the dark mass of men was seen, and hung high above them was their own beloved green. Deaths to every foe and traitor, whistle out the marching tune, and the fights must be together at the rising of the moon. 'Tis the rising of the moon, 'tis the rising of the moon, and hurrah me boys for freedom, 'tis the rising of the moon. Okay, that's the end of the first song there, Rising of the Moon. So my computer was telling me through that I had a bad connection. So please let me know if you can see that. And I'll try to do something about it. But we have 11 watching and 12 likes. So thank you everybody who is here. So let's see who is here. Welcome Finbar and Fluby and Mamo. And if you can give me an update, please, on is the stream lagging at all? Okay. Um, yata again. Lazarus says, drop a like. I agree. If you haven't liked yet, please do so. Let me make sure the mic can pick me up here. What happened to Wearing of the Green? Love the Rising. I will play Wearing of the Green now, Sukatron. Okay, here it goes. No, so here is the Wearing of the Green for Sukatron. Oh, Paddy dear, oh, did you hear the news that's going round? The shamrock is by law forbid to grow on Irish ground. No more St. Patrick's Day to keep his colour can't be seen, for there's a cruel law against the wearing of the green. Oh, I met with Nappert and sure he took me by the hand, and he said, how's poor old Ireland? How does she stand? She's the most distressful country, oh, ever I have seen, for there's a cruel law against the wearing of the green. And if the colour we must wear is England's cruel red, oh, let it remind us all of the blood that we have shed. And take a shamrock from your heart and throw it on the sod, and leave it there and have no care for underfoot will trod. When the law can stop the blades of grass from growing as they grow, when the summer leaves on trees colour dare not show. Oh, I will change my colours too, I wear on my cabine. But until that day, please God, I'll sing to the wearing of the green. That is for Sukatron, the wearing of the green. I usually play that on guitar, but I was messing about with it since the last time I played it, so that's where that came from. When I started playing Rising of the Moon, then I kind of figured that out. The bouzouki's not heard too good. Okay, I was afraid that it was too loud. Change the mic settings. What do I do here? The gain. I'll put the gain up a bit. Okay, I don't like to be changing too much. I'll just play heavier. I was playing light on purpose there, because I was afraid I was being too loud. Okay, I'm going to move over to the guitar. This is always a awkward switcheroo. Okay. That is okay. Okay. I'm just going to give it an out tune. We have 14 people watching. Thanks everybody who was watching. I need to get some new strings anyway. Okay, no problem, Sukatron. Thank you for suggesting. Do the Scooby-Doo theme song. No. I did change the mic settings there a little bit. I hope it's better. But I'll play heavier anyway. Thank you for saying the sound is great. I do appreciate that. Okay, I'm glad to hear this stream is going smoothly. I hope to be improving it every week. So here's the bold thing in men. It was down by the glenside I met an old woman, a plucking young nettles. She ne'er saw me coming. I listened for a while to the song she was humming. Glory-o, glory-o to the bold swinging men. It's been 50 long years since I saw the moon beaming on strong manly forms, or with eyes with hope gleaming. Still see it now through all my daydreaming. Glory-o, glory-o to the bold swinging men. When I was a young lad, there marching and drilling, awoke in the glen, sounded awesome and thrilling. They stood by old Ireland, to die they were willing. Glory-o, glory-o to the bold Fenian men. I passed on my way, God be praised, that I met her, be lifelong or shorter, I'll ne'er forget her. Oh, we have brave men, and we'll never have a better. Glory-o, glory-o to the bold Fenian men. Okay, that's the bold Fenian men. 13 minutes in already. It does not feel that long. Also, I am in closer to the mic than it looks on the screen. Tilt the mic towards me like this. Oh, it's falling off here now. Going a bit too far. Yeah, okay. I'm gonna have to mess with the week. It's gonna fall off the stool. I go closer to it, I suppose. Is that better? I hope it's better. 15 minutes in already. The time has sure flown by for me. Mayo Sham says you've changed your... One second. Why are my glasses so blurry? What on earth? Guitar from the old one you used to have. What make is it? Sorry, my glasses did not work for some reason. This is Takamine. I really enjoy it. I really needed a new one as well for a long time. I have this now for well over, I'd say, a year, 2 years maybe. I'm really enjoying it as well. Let's see. Sounds better. Okay, that's good. Okay. Peggy Gordon. Okay, I have that written down. You suggested last week, Eric. And Okay, I hope this one's for Eric then. Oh, Peggy Gordon, you are my darling. Come sit you down upon my knee and tell to me the very reason why I'm slighted so by thee. I'm so in love and I can't deny it. My heart's smothered in my breast, and it's not for you to let the world know it. A troubled mind can know no rest. Oh, Peggy Gordon, you are my darling. Come sit you down upon my knee and tell to me how the very reason why I'm slighted so by thee. I wish I had a cask of brandy. 'Twas my fancy, I declare, for when I'm drinking, I'm always thinking and wishing Peggy Gordon was me. Oh, Peggy Gordon, you are my darling. Come sit you down upon my knee and tell to me the very reason why I am slighted so by thee. I wish I was in a lonesome valley where womankind may not be found, and the pretty little birds, they change their voices with every moment a different sound. Oh, Peggy Gordon, you are my darling. Come sit you down upon my knee and tell to me the very reason why I am slighted so by thee. It's for Eric, who suggested that last week. I hope you enjoyed that. And okay. Drunken Sailor. You know what? I played it last week, but do you want me to play it for you next week, Sucatron? Drunken Sailor. Thanks for letting me know, Mamo. I appreciate that. I hope you're enjoying there. Okay, we're 20 minutes in already. Time is just flying. This week especially. So I'll see what you're saying. Phone says clap. Okay, thank you. Go up a little bit. Somebody said earlier that's one big glass of vodka. I don't remember who said that. I forgot to mention it. Boys of Wexford. I'm assuming you're talking about their Sucatron. I can do that as well. But I never want to play the same song too many times, But it's one of my favorite to play. Might give it a whirl next week. Okay, so I'll play an original then. It's been a while. It's been a few weeks. So I think you can all guess what this one's gonna be. I can't even read that properly. What Kane is saying there, I don't even know what that is. I'm not even gonna comment. Hi Michelle Hardesty, welcome. I hope you're keeping well, and I hope you can see well on the stream because I'm messing around with it a bit. So next week I'm definitely gonna mess a bit more with the mic. But if anybody's here who hasn't subscribed yet, please do so. I don't think I've seen anybody new this week, but if you have forgotten to do so, then much appreciated. I have hit 700, so thank you very much, everybody, for that. So there's an original. I would like to write more originals, but just finding the time because I have to learn. Well, I don't have to, but I like to learn a song every week for the stream and all that, and keep him busy and stuff like that. But here is Pull Like a Dog, so. Here is a story of brothers wrapped in green, who rode their way to glory. They come from Lachine. It's not too complex, really, just row from A to B. No strategy for the lads of Skibbereen. They had many tactics to strengthen up their legs. An ice bath after practice, sticks, buds and eggs. Their nanas bread each morning, the secret to their team. More power to their rowing, more power to Skibbereen. They rowed from Castle Dunman to Rain and Fog, down the River Island, pull like a dog. Gary and Paul O'Donovan, through hail and fog, down the River Island, pull like a dog. Close your eyes and pull like a dog. The Olympics were in Rio, they wanted the chance to full power row and wear podium pants. They impressed Dominic Casey, were watched on RTE. Silver with Liberty for Era and Skibbereen. What they did was great, they shared their stories on Norton and the Late and on Radar Sea. Bonfires welcomed home across the Bay Sea. Gary and Paul O'Donovan, the heroes of Skibbereen. They rode from Castle Donovan to Mist and Fog, down the River Island, pull like a dog. Gary and Paul O'Donovan to Hail and Fog, down the River Island, pull like a dog. Close your eyes and pull like a dog. A rising was in Dublin 100 years ago. The flag was put by Sullivan upon the GPO. The brothers did admit after 1916 it was great to beat the Brits and raise the flag for Skibbereen. They rode from Castle Donovan to Mist and Fog, down the River Island, pull like a dog. Gary and Paul O'Donovan to a hail and fog down the River Island. Pull like a dog, close your eyes and pull like a dog. Okay, that's my own song. I have 2 different versions of it on my YouTube channel, and it's also on the RTE YouTube channel. But the rowers from Skippereen, who got silver at the Olympics. So if you want to check that out, I did a few videos for that. And yeah, that's my own song. So have you played Valley of K in a while? You have to remind me, Eric, on what Valley of K is. I'm blanking out. When I'm live, I don't think properly for some reason. Is it hard to play 2 instruments at the same time? Thanks for asking the question. Honestly, for me, it wasn't, because it kind of just happened. I didn't take long to pick up, because I don't know. It just came easily. I just did it one day. But I played both on their own beforehand, before I put them together, obviously. So then it was kind of it kind of just fell into place after that. So thanks for asking. Good to see you too, Sonny and Peter. I hope you're well. I hope you're enjoying this week. Great song. Thank you very much. I haven't played that song yet, Eric. But if you want to send me the title later on, I'll check it out for you. Go on, call on. Thank you, Phil, for the moral support. You should really test the one, Phil. Okay. So I'm gonna bouozouki out. Agus by Kaplor na lang. Okay, so this is a song called "In San Van Wacht," which means the poor old lady. I learned it this week, and I am playing it in G on bouozouki, which I don't do often, but I practiced quite a bit. So I hope you enjoy this one. In San Van Wacht. Oh, the French are in the bay, said in San Van Wacht. Oh, the French are in the bay, said in San Van Wacht. French are in the bay, they'll be here without delay, and the orange will decay, said in San Van Wacht. Oh, the orange will decay, said in San Van Wacht. And their cap it will be wear, said in San Van Wacht. Oh, their cap it will be wear, said in San Van Wacht. Curra of Kildare, and the boys will all be there with their pikes in good repair, said Sam Van Wacht. With their pikes in good repair, said Sam Van Wacht. And what colour will be seen, said Sam Van Wacht. And what colour will be seen, said Sam Van Wacht. What colour will be seen but our own beloved green, where our fathers' homes have been, said Sam Van Wacht. Where our fathers' homes have been, said Sam Van Wacht. Then will Ireland be free, said Sam Van Wacht. Well, old Ireland will be free, said Sam Van Wacht. Yes, old Ireland will be free from Donegal to Kerry. Oh, old Ireland will be free, said Sam Van Wacht. Oh, old Ireland will be free, said Sam Van Wacht. Oh, the orange will decay, said Sam Van Wacht. Oh, the orange will decay, said Sam Van Wacht. Okay. That is Sam Van Wacht. Dóla mai sin teachtan seo. Tásúil an gur hang sé líb. Hello, Sean. Great songs. Gur ramína mahad. Ceann. Tásúil am go dangin siad leat agus gúil tú cúneal go má. Chus hain. Hello, Timothy Hardesty. No worries. Thanks for coming anyway. I'll be going to my last song now shortly. But thanks everybody who's here for the feedback and everything like that. Yeah, okay. So I'll go for Porrick Stevens' song. But I'll just read Caha man legan Gaeilge English. Caha man legan Gaeilge English. Níor sam gur well bhí sam gur legan Gaeilge English. Caha man eáil cínte gur mahad Kathleen le sin. Okay, or on Porrick Stevens. Okay. Cool in the Traffic, Porrick Stevens. And if you have any suggestions for next week, let me know. Time has just flown by this week. But let me know for next week then. And I'll more if you suggest a song I already play on stream, then I'll be more than happy to do that for you. So here's Cool in the Traffic by Porrick Stevens, and then I'll read the chat, so be posting up there. Are you driving in the car with your radio on? Have no care and listen to the song. Stay cool, cool in the traffic. Stay cool, cool in the traffic. Stay cool, cool in the traffic. Stay cool. green, yellow light, but I don't need to be told. I'm stuck behind this white heavy load. A Galway racer is acting the fool. Town's busy with the kids back to school. All across the bridge, usual hold-ups. Roundabout with the set of roadworks. Won't say much more, it get a bit dramatic. I sit down low and sing cool, and the traffic stay cool. Cool and the traffic stay cool. Cool and the traffic stay cool. Cool and the traffic stay cool. Hey. There's a tourist car that's doing about 40. Bus of herders on their way from Enniscorthy. I went for a drive down in through Barn Village. Saw a tractor piping up the tillage. It's getting late, everybody's worried, and everybody's hurrying. Won't say much more, it could get a bit too graphic. I sit down low and sing cool, and the traffic stay cool. Cool and the traffic stay cool. Cool and the traffic stay cool. Oh, beep beep and a beep beep. Hey. Stay cool, stay cool in the traffic, stay cool, stay cool in the traffic, and stay cool in the traffic, stay cool. Okay, that's going to be the last song of the evening. That is Park Stevens. Everybody who has not seen or heard Park Stevens is missing out. One of, if not the best songwriter in the country. And his version of that song is fantastic. And I had the privilege to hear it live as well a few times. Real Galwegian. So I'm going to be finishing up now, but I'll just see what you're all saying. Lazarus says I can't wait for my streams. I'll speak Serbian with my mates. Mess with Mario Sherpan you. Okay, very funny. I'll make sure to check them out. Please do let me know when that's going on, because I'm looking forward to that. And yeah, it's going to be fun. Mayo Sham said beep beep and a beep beep. I just saw it on the screen when I was doing the song. Did you ever play Boy Rebel songs? I have not yet. I'm going to search that up. If you want to drop it in the comments after I post it, so I'll be able, because I can't, sometimes the live chat does glitch out and afterwards, and then I can't see, what you're all suggesting. But I'll play you Boys of Wexford next week, Supertron as well. Love that song, especially the rap at the end. It's a fantastic song. Woo-ha, nice song. Thanks for the gig. Thanks for being here, Mayo Sham. Do appreciate it, as always. Yes, and mystery streams. Okay, that's gonna be cool. I'll definitely check it out. Be sure to send it to me. Good gig. Thanks, Eric. Thanks, everybody. Okay. I've been 14 minutes, so I won't take up any more of your time. If you haven't subscribed, I'm trying to get to 1,000. And we're getting up there. We're at 700 now. When I started streaming, we only had 500. So thanks everybody. A lot of my family and friends who always join. I really do appreciate you all and all the new friends I've made as well. Okay, I'll see you next week, and I'll have hopefully a new camera by then, and hopefully my Wi-Fi is good enough to run said camera. But keep in touch through the week, guys. Okay, goodbye.